Hey everyone, this is Deepika and welcome back to my channel. So now that I have more than 20 videos on this channel about vocabulary, English phrases, idioms and also about books, I think this is the right time for me to share the steps that I follow to remember things myself. So I get these questions that, okay, fine, content is fine. We have a lot of content about vocabulary phrases. But the question comes here is how to remember them. Yes, this is a very good question. And I think I am very happy to share my secret with you. So without any delay, let's get into the video. The first step is there is no shortcut to learning. So you have to learn, you have to consume the content from everywhere possible. Read books, watch movies with subtitles, watch videos and read newspaper, books. So read the content. So there's a very good saying, I heard it somewhere, was you can't name a word that you don't know. So how will you say or remember something which you don't know? So for that you have to expose yourself to content. So the first step is you have to consume the content, learn the content. So now that you have learned new words, I would suggest here to be observant. Don't consume or read anything mindlessly. Be observant while you're reading or watching anything. So what I meant was, I'll give you my example here. So sometime back, I was watching this movie called The Notebook, the very popular movie. I hope you'll be able to relate to me if you have seen this movie. There's a scene called when mother comes to the actress and says that I'm afraid your father must have spilled the beans in front of your fiance. So that moment I could relate the idiom that she said, spilled the beans, which meant, to reveal the secret that was not supposed to be. So I was so happy with that small achievement that I could, because I was observant, I could understand the meaning idiom. Otherwise, I would have googled it that very moment. So it kind of gives you a lot of happiness when you come across the learned words. So you'll be able to understand once you feel yourself. So it's important that you be observant when you are in that mission of learning new words. So that will really help you. Next step might sound very cliched, but it is indispensable. It is about maintaining a diary. I keep saying this because it has worked for me, so I keep sharing this with you. So what you can do is you can note down words and you can revise whenever you get time. And when you feel that the word that you have learned comes naturally or automatically in your conversation, you can knock off that word. So that will kind of give you a sense of achievement, and it's magical. Now it's about making a deliberate effort to replace common or simple words. You must have noticed I use this word called indispensable instead of the words like important or necessary. Yes, that was a very much deliberate effort. So likewise, you have to understand and make a deliberate effort to replace very simple words that you use in your daily conversation. So that will really help. So my final suggestion would be stay consistent. If your goal is to become good at it, then you have to stay consistent. You don't have to do it every day or every week, but be observant and don't forget your goal. So that's all for today, and these steps are my secret. I hope you liked this video and found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back soon. Bye bye.